My time to eat my breakfast and lunch. It's 4 o'clock already in the afternoon. This is my breakfast and lunch. So my breakfast and lunch here. Ang ganda na avocado. It's so good. So watermelon, kiwi, and avocado. And yesterday, naawa sa akin si Apam. So he feels sorry for me because I've been working hard in the garlic garden. So he bought chicken from Costco and I was surprised. I didn't expect he gonna bought this chicken. So last night I only have one piece of chicken. So today another one piece. So that's gonna be my breakfast and lunch. No carbs, guys. Kasi then lagyan na natin to sa wrap. Gonna put it back to the fridge. So, ganyan lang. Ito lang ang aking breakfast and lunch, guys. With one piece of chicken. See? And for easy absorption, always don't forget easy absorption of nutrients. Yan. I learned it from Damais TV. So, see guys? And I'm just gonna scoop this and mix with my mixed fruits and just fruits. So, ito lang ang aking breakfast. Kasi nga, I need to lose weight, guys. See? I'm doing diet in a healthy ways, guys. And this morning, I just, same thing, every day. Diba? Madami na to, oh. Isang plato na din. Pero, watermelon is all water. 90% of watermelon are water. So, I got vitamin C, avocado, good for the heart, omega 3, I don't know, omega 3 and 6 fatty acids from avocado. Good for the heart and for everything else. Watermelon is a natural source of electrolytes, guys. Chicken is protein. I know. It says this is baked or oven. I don't know. From Costco. So it's not very healthy, guys. Unless I'm the one who cook it. Grill. Or barbecue. But it's okay. I'm eating the healthy. And kiwi, vitamin C. Thank you guys for watching. That's it. I just want to share you my diet food. No carbs at all, guys. My breakfast and lunch together because I was outside 4 hours and a half picking dandelions flowers. So, and tomorrow this is gonna be very beautiful. It's gonna open all the flowers. It's closing now because it's gonna like close to the evening.